Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious leek and potato soup in your soup maker. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh leeks, potatoes, good quality vegetable broth, and a little cream for richness. Make sure your soup maker is sparkling clean and ready to go. We'll be using approximately 200 grams of leeks and 500 grams of potatoes for a perfect consistency. Now let's get our vegetables prepped. Start by thoroughly washing and trimming about 2 medium leeks, focusing on the tender white and light green sections. Next, peel and dice 500 grams of potatoes into roughly 1-inch cubes. This helps them cook evenly. For an extra layer of flavor, roughly chop 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. These aromatics will truly elevate your soup. With your ingredients prepped, it's time for the soup maker to shine. Carefully place all the chopped leeks, potatoes, onion, and garlic into the soup maker jug. Then, pour in 750 milliliters of your chosen vegetable broth. Secure the lid, select the smooth soup setting, and let the machine do all the hard work. It typically takes around 20 to 25 minutes to cook and blend perfectly. Your soup maker has done its job, and now for the delightful finishing touches. Once the cycle is complete, carefully remove the lid and stir in about 50 milliliters of rich double cream. This adds a wonderful velvety texture. Taste and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve your comforting leek and potato soup piping hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh chives or an extra swirl of cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.